Welcome to Condense. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to easily switch between workspaces within the Condense app. After logging in, you'll land on the All Workspaces page, where you can see a list of all the workspaces you have access to. To enter a workspace, simply click on the workspace name. You'll be redirected inside that workspace, where you can start working immediately. If you need to return to the All Workspaces page, just click on the Condense logo at the top left corner. When inside a workspace, switching to another workspace is just as simple. Click on the workspace name drop-down at the top of the screen. A list of available workspaces will appear. Just select the one you want to switch to, and you'll be redirected to that workspace instantly. And that's it. With these quick steps, you can easily navigate between different workspaces in Condense.